In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep your SharePoint and OneDrive files locally on a computer. This process ensures that your important documents are readily accessible, even when you're not connected to the internet, and provides an added layer of security by serving as a backup in case of connectivity issues. So, let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to open Windows File Explorer. You can do this effortlessly by clicking on the folder icon you typically find on your taskbar, or alternatively, you can press the Windows key combined with the E key on your keyboard. Either of these methods will swiftly bring up the File Explorer window. This is where you manage files and folders on your computer. Once you've got that open, look over to the left side of the window. Here, you'll see a navigation pane, which often contains quick links to your most used folders. Make your way to your OneDrive folder, which should be listed there under Quick Access or another section of the pane. The OneDrive folder is special because it links to your SharePoint files and folders that are synced with your account. This allows you to access a wide range of documents from different devices, which is incredibly handy for both personal and professional use. Now, your task is to locate the specific file or folder that you want to keep on your local computer. Browse through your OneDrive until you find what you're looking for. Once you've identified that crucial file or folder, go ahead and right-click on it. This action will reveal a context menu with several options. In the context menu, you're going to want to select the option that says, Always keep on this device. When you choose this option, it initiates the download process, storing the file or folder permanently on your computer. This ensures that you can access it offline at any time without needing an internet connection. Once the download is complete, you'll notice a green circle with a white check mark icon next to the file or folder name. This visual cue is your confirmation that the file is safely stored locally and is accessible whenever you need it, regardless of your internet status. By using this method, you're not only making your files more accessible, but you're also adding a layer of backup protection. In the event of an internet outage or other connectivity problem, you won't have to worry about losing access to your important documents. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to keep your SharePoint and OneDrive files locally on your computer. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful tips and tricks.